How to find the upcoming birthdays of your friends on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find the upcoming birthdays of your friends on your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser, head over to facebook.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now after you've done that, on the left hand side, you will notice these many options. Now under these options, tap on see more, or if you find an option called events, simply tap on events. If you don't find it, tap on see more, and after you tap on see more, you will see events. Now if you don't find the events option, you can sometimes find the birthday options here as well. So we'll just open this on the new tab, head over to events, and after you're on events, right around here you should find the birthday option. Now, if you don't find it, as I said before, you will find the events option right around here. I mean the birthdays option. So head over to birthdays and yeah, that is basically it. Now you will have the list of your birthdays. Now if someone's birthday is today, you will see today birthday and upcoming birthdays and different sections of birthdays. So yeah, that is basically how you find the upcoming birthday of your friends on your Facebook. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.